To spot the real leaders in quantum computing, look for companies with deep IP moats and strategic lock-in partnerships. Here is the concise breakdown of the foundational innovators versus the speculative plays. First, IonQ, the quality leader. Their moat uses individual atoms for high accuracy, focusing on miniaturization with strong contracts with Hyundai and Amazon. Next, Rigetti Computing, the manufacturing play. They own their own chip factory, Fab1, allowing rapid iteration. Their deep integration with NVIDIA's hybrid platform positions them well for AI quantum workflows. Finally, D-Wave Quantum, the revenue now play. Unlike others, their tech solves optimization problems today, generating actual revenue from commercial clients while others are still in the lab. Get ready for what could be the biggest tech story of the decade. We're talking about Quantinuum, and it's an opportunity you need to hear about. Imagine two giants merging. Honeywell Quantum Solutions, the hardware experts, and Cambridge Quantum, the software geniuses, have combined to create a full-stack quantum powerhouse. What's their secret sauce? They're leading the charge with trap-time technology and groundbreaking quantum error correction. This isn't just theory, it's happening now. And the big players have noticed. With solid backing from financial titans like Morgan Chase and manufacturing support from Honeywell, Quantinuum isn't just a startup with a dream, it's a well-funded reality. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Quantinuum might just be the most important stock to watch in the coming years.